everyone. Okay, Sandra introduced the portable cutting machine. Next, we will introduce the tabletop cutting machine. Okay, first of all, before start, please follow us and like us. You will receive our update from time to time. Okay. Now let us focus on the tabletop cutting machine. Why choose a tabletop cutting machine? Or why tabletop cutting machine is called a tabletop? What is the difference compared with ordinary CNC cutting machine? Okay, first of all, we can clearly see from the appearance that the table cutting machine comes with a work table. The user doesn't need to prepare the table. Yes, tabletop cutting machine have work table, so you don't need prepare the work table. Secondly, normal machines can only be equipped with air plasma below 125 ampere. While tabletop cutting machine can contact more than 125 ampere. Okay. The larger the plasma, the bigger the the larger the plasma, the stronger the cutting ability. For example, if you equipped with the Half-Thermal Max Pro 200, it can cut 32 mm, 32 millimeter. This machine cutting area is 1,500 by 3,000. But it can be expanded to 2,000 by 6,000 millimeter. In a word, cutting larger area and single steel. Okay, before test the machine, we let us see the machine details. From the ampere of the machine, you can find this machine have two main parts: CNC part and cutting part. Okay, first of all, we can see the CNC part. Okay, please. This is the CNC part. Honeybee CNC is our company brand. Okay, it adopts the Fangling CNC controller. Model name is F2100B. The controller displays correct. This motion is 7 inches. Fangling brand CNC controller is the most used brand in China CNC cutting machine. Normally, it used on tabletop, portable, or gantry CNC cutting machine.
One more question.
Okay.
Does the machine have other language except English?
Sure. We also have else language. 语言 F8. Yeah, you can see we also have Chinese, English, French, Japanese, etc. Okay. Okay, next, before next, well, before next, we introduce the cutting. Before, sorry, I'm so nervous. Before next, we introduce the work table. Please like us and follow us. Like us and follow us. You will receive our updates from time to time, and you can also get catalog. If you have any question, you can write. I will answer. Um, you also can contact our online sales. They will reply. Okay, we will introduce our work table. Please, we can see this work table. This work table is water table. This also different from normal machine. The advantage of the water table that it can make the steel plate less during cutting, and water instead. Water can water can absorb the production during cutting. The water table can make your work environment cleaner. Of course, we also can dry. We also can make dry table. We also have plate tube cutting machine here.
The question here.
Okay, please.
What power can provide when the machine moves?
Well, really a good question. What power is power when machine moves? The answer is, of course, Panasonic soft motor. Soft motor in here. Okay, we can see here also Panasonic soft motor. You can see Panasonic and reducer. This machine has three Panasonic soft motors, Y double and X in here, X here. Our machine uses Panasonic soft motors. It can better gratuity the speed and the accuracy. And the soft motors have faster response than the steel motor. Some customers may have a question. The accuracy of the machine is high just because the soft motor. The answer is of course no. When I tell you why, please follow us and like us. Please follow us and like us. Our sales also can reply you. This machine also has cross beam. This cross beam adopts a screw tube welding structure. Also have build rail. Touch system. This can up and down. When touch can up and down. Okay. I feel this machine is really well.
A question here.
Oh, please.
Can you do other color about this machine?
Sure. We have a blue, a yellow, or red. Can customize.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So you can really press accrue the two buy and use it. We have the other part of this machine. It looks good, but how about its perfection? Does it cut well? Does it cut well? Let's find the answer. Okay, first we can use the built-in shape library to find a coupon use shape. Let's find cut a road. Okay, road.
现在在干
直径是
75，
行。Change the size. Okay. Please start. 开始。Okay, we can see it's so hot. Be careful. The cut. Oh, we can see this cutting part is so cleaner. Wow. If table have water, the water can absorb the product cutting. This is easy cutting. Next, we can cut CNC because this is CNC machine. We can cut next. USP. F2. We can find the shape. Okay, find CNC logo CNC. Okay, we can see this is CNC shape. Okay, here we go. we can see this shape. So be careful. Okay.